Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss on how to write a program that will convert US dollar value into Philippine Peso using a function in JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Basically guys, I'm only using online JavaScript editor. So we have a series of HTML tags. We go directly with the script. I wrote a function US underscore dollar underscore PHP for Philippine underscore peso. US dollar are passing parameter. Variable US underscore dollar, return US underscore dollar multiply by 55.73. Assume that one US dollar is equivalent to 55.73 pesos. And then we have here assignment statement result US underscore dollar underscore PHP underscore peso, calling the function that we have created. And then we pass a value of 100.34. That to fix to decimal places. It is a function in JavaScript to have a decimal places, and then we display the result here, script, and then we close the body of our HTML tag. Okay, let us go with our browser. So let us execute the program. So $100 is equivalent to 5,591.95 pesos or Philippine peso. If we want to change the value here, let's say we have $21.67. When we run, 21.67 US dollar is equivalent to 2,174.37. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a US dollar to Philippine peso program to convert using a function in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.